Hello lovelies, it's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? Hope you're doing good. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make red velvet cake. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. This recipe is easy and simple to come up with. So if you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is in a bowl, pour in some milk. Then next we have lemon. Cut the lemon. Then you squeeze out the juice. Take some lemon juice. Add to the milk and stir. So set that aside. Now in a clean plate, break in some eggs. So be careful not to mix the yolk with the egg white. Just gently drop it in the plate. So next, separate the egg yolk from the egg white. So set the egg yolk aside. So next, sift your flour with baking powder and cocoa powder. So that aside, in a clean bowl, pour in the egg white and whisk. You're going to whisk this for about 20 minutes, like until the egg white, gets very foamy, or rather until it turns white. So we are good to go. So add your sugar little at a time. So whisk for about 15 to 20 minutes. So add the egg yolk little at a time. So make sure you incorporate the egg yolk in the egg white very well. So next, add the mixture of lemon and milk. Then you mix for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then here I have melted margarine. Add the melted margarine. You mix. So here I have flavor. You can choose to add any type of flavor you want. I've added butterscotch flavor. You can add vanilla. Then incorporate it, like mixed very well. Then here I have powdered food color. You can also add the liquid. So if you're adding powder, make sure you sift it to trap lumps, okay? As you guys can see, it has given us that attractive red color. So add the flour little at a time. So make sure you mix very well until you have a smooth cake batter. So here I've greased the pan and it's time to pour in the cake batter. So guys, we are going to bake this for about 30 minutes on low medium heat. Yeah, this is a cake well baked, guys. Are you seeing this cake? Our red velvet cake is popping. Remember, this is the season of love. Okay, so make sure it impacts people's life positively in your capacity. It's very important, guys. So spread the love, show love by giving, show love by impacting into someone's life, like impacting positively. Okay, so the recipe measurements will be in the description, so make sure you check out the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Thank you so much. Bye. Happy Valentine's.